Okay, let's have a look at this RC speedboat. One of the things I can tell you people right off the bat that this product is absolutely a build. You can tell by looking at the pictures on the outside of the box, the stunning design and the craftsmanship that was put into this product. But hey, we're not doing a review to look at pictures on the outside of the box. Let's go ahead and open it up. When you open up the box, the first thing you will see is the user manual. User manuals are very, very important, people. It keep you from damaging the product or keep you from hurting yourself or damaging other people's property. So make sure that you go over the user manual. This particular user manual give you all the specifics of how to go frontwards, backwards, how to use the trim, and how to turn. Also inside the box you will find the battery. The battery is 650 milliamp battery. I believe I got about 8 to 10 minutes of using this. And it also include a C battery for the controller itself and the power brick, which is pretty cool. The controller is straightforward. You have your on off button, you have your trim buttons, you have your turn buttons. Very simple to use, people. And again, if you read your user manual, you wouldn't have any problem with it. Underneath here, you got to take that little screw out to make sure that you're able to put the battery in. And again, the battery is included. But the main attraction is the boat. Let's go ahead and get our hand on this beauty. And again, look at that. Look at the craftsmanship of this thing. You can tell that a lot of love was put into making this, man. I mean, look at the design. Look at it, man. It's really made for speed. You go ahead and open it up so you can have a quick look on the inside, and I'll be able to show you where the battery goes. So after your battery is charged, you just simply pop it open. Once you open it up, you can see that you have a very large cavity right there, and this is the little wire right here that you hook up your battery to. And again, that's more than enough room for your battery to fit. And you can see the little motor right here, which mainly operates the rudder and the propeller in the back. Alright, now we see what comes in the box. Let's see what it's able to do. The first thing I want to do is put it in the tub, and then we're going to bring it outside. Okay, here's the tip. When you first turn on the transmitter, it's going to rapidly blank red. Wait till the light turns solid red, then you're able to go. And also the boat does not work outside of the water. As soon as you place it in the water, the rudder will automatically adjust, and then you're good to go. And you can see that this boat is very fast. You put it into some mud and some grass, and it just cut all through the mud, all through the grass. 5 stars out of 5.